What's up guys, how you guys doing? So today in this video I'll be continuing my Wheelie Progress for episode 3. Also, if you're new around here, subscribe down below, and also if you did enjoy this video, please like. Alright, just to clear up, I haven't been wheeling in a month, so don't expect the best wheelies in the world. Okay, now that's out of the way, hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. If you did like, please leave a like down below, and also if you're new around here, subscribe to my channel for more Pitbike content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.